India and France, as many of you may be aware, are celebrating 75 years of our diplomatic ties and 25 years of our strategic partnership this year. Compliments to you, Excellency, compliments to you, Ambassador, and to all of you for this wonderful relationship that is only going from strength to strength and which we visualize to have a very significant role to play in the Europe-India partnership in the years to come. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's special message for this event underscores the importance of the India-France ties, a relationship built on trust, shared values, and a forward-looking vision.